Welcome to the ASP.NET Core Scheduler control tutorial. In this video, I will explain how to customize the header rows of timeline views in the Syncfusion ASP.NET Core Scheduler. Looking at this example, you'll notice the timeline month view loaded with the entire year's dates. Two rows have been added at the top, showcasing the month and year combination in the first row and the week number in the second. These header row options are exclusive to timeline views. The scheduler provides 5 built-in header row options: year, month, week, date, and hour. You can define header rows in every timeline view, except for the hour option, which isn't applicable in the timeline month view. First, I open my existing ASP.NET Core application where I've added the basic properties to render the scheduler. To learn more about integrating the scheduler control into an ASP.NET Core web application, please check the Getting Started video linked in the card above and the description below. Let me run this application by pressing the F5 key. See, the scheduler control is rendered with the provided appointments in the timeline view. Now I will show you how to add header rows in this scheduler layout. To include the header rows, I add an eSchedule header rows tag to provide details of one or more header rows. To display a single header row, I add an eSchedule header row tag. As I plan to display the year in the header, I add the option property and set it to year. In the same way, I add the header rows for month, week, date, and hour. Look at the scheduler. 5 header rows are added for the year, month, week number, date, and hour. This 5 header row representation is possible in day, week, and workweek timeline views. When I switch to the month timeline view, only 4 header rows display the year, month, week number, and date values. And header row for the hour is not applicable for this month view. To change or customize the appearance of the header row label, use the built-in template property. Let's see how to customize the month header row to display both month and year information. I plan to work in a timeline month view, so let me remove the other timeline views. I'll also remove the year and hour header rows for better clarity. To customize the month header row, I add a script element with the ID attribute month template. Next, add a span tag, declare a method getMonthDetails, and pass the date object as an argument. I add another script element and define a getMonthDetails method to convert the datetime value into a string value. To format the date value, I declare a variable and get the instance of internationalization from the Syncfusion base package. The method getMonthDetails receives the datetime value as an argument to convert the datetime to a custom format. I use an internationalization instance to call the formatDate method and pass the datetime value and custom year-month format value in the skeleton property. Finally, map this template ID to the template property of the month header row. When you view the scheduler, you'll notice that the month header row displays a customized label containing the month and year details. Currently, the week header just displays the week numbers. I'll show you how to append the word week before the week numbers using template. To customize the week header row, I add a script element with ID attribute week template. Next, I add a span tag, declare a method getWeekDetails, and pass the date object as an argument. In this script element, define a getWeekDetails method to convert the datetime value into a string value. I append the word week to its number using getWeekNumber from the schedule package. Finally, map this template ID to the template property of the week header row. You can see the word week appended before the week numbers. Notice that the scheduler is displaying a single month To display an entire year in the timeline month view, add an interval property with the value 12. Check now, the scheduler displays a full year's dates. In this video, I showed you how to customize the header rows of timeline views in the Syncfusion ASP.NET Core Scheduler. You can download a working example of this from the GitHub link in the description for this video below. You can also see if you're eligible for our community license, which will get you a free license key to use our ASP.NET Core products. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe to our channel.